Hey there, and welcome. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you how to tap into the full potential of an incredible AI code editor called Cursor. By the end, you'll know how to fine-tune Cursor's settings for better accuracy, apply key strategies for faster coding, and even harness its special agent mode to speed up your workflow. Let's dive right in. First things first, system prompts are the backbone of your AI experience. Think of them like giving a set of instructions or rules to a helpful assistant who's about to start working on your project. If you tell it exactly what you need, how you want it to sound, and what style of answers you expect, you'll get much better results. I've shared a sample system prompt in the description below. Feel free to use it as a template and tweak it to suit your own project's needs. To add your own system prompt, head over to the Cursor settings and paste your text in the Rules for AI field. Next up is something I consider absolutely crucial, a Product Requirements Document (PRD). It's basically your project's roadmap, laying out everything you plan to build and why you're building it. Here's how to get one quickly. Number 1, explain your idea to a large language model. Whether you're chatting with ChatGPT or another AI, describe your project in as much detail as you can. Number 2, ask the AI to interview you. By prompting it to ask clarifying questions, you'll catch any missing details and make sure the AI understands your project from top to bottom. Here's a practical example. Let's say I want to build a fully functional PDF to Word converter. Ideally, I just drag and drop a PDF file, and the system would automatically turn it into a Word document that opens on my computer, ready for me to edit. That's my vision, so I tell ChatGPT all about it. Then, I'll ask it to write up a clear, detailed summary of this idea. Once you've got that detailed summary from your AI, it's time to turn it into a brand new prompt. Take that summary and plug it into the PRD prompt template, found in the description, so the AI can generate a comprehensive document that outlines your project. This will include everything from your app's features and user flow to the tech stacks and even potential APIs you might need. After the AI creates your PRD, the first step is to copy the entire text. Then create a new .md or .txt file right inside Cursor and paste that content in. Finally, press Ctrl+I to open the Cursor Composer and click on the Add Context icon to add your new file. Now, whenever you ask Cursor to code something for you, it'll have a crystal clear understanding of your project's requirements. This makes your AI buddy a lot more accurate, efficient, and consistent. I also want to point out something important. Always make sure you understand your PRD before diving into development. You'll need to know which front-end and back-end technologies you plan on using, maybe React and JavaScript, for example, and which databases or APIs you'll need to integrate. Then, whenever you ask Cursor for help, be explicit about what you want it to build. That way, it can tailor its solutions to fit your exact tech stack and project goals. One of the best tips I can give you is to work in agent mode rather than the normal mode in Cursor Composer. When Cursor runs in agent mode, it's able to break down tasks, do a bit of thinking and planning, and then give you more in-depth coding suggestions. In other words, agent mode feels a lot more like having a real pair programming partner who can reason about your code rather than just spit out quick answers. Lastly, let's talk about models. For me, Claude 3.5 to Sonnet has been the sweetest spot for coding tasks because it's detailed and incredibly coherent. But honestly, picking the right model depends on your personal style and the kind of project you're working on. Feel free to experiment with different models until you find one that clicks with your workflow. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this walkthrough gave you a clear idea of how to optimize Cursor and how to structure your own coding process with the help of AI. In my next video, I'll actually build that PDF to Word converter from start to finish, showing you how all these steps play out in real time. So stick around if you want to see that in action. And in the meantime, happy coding!